Namaskar. Again, I am welcoming all of you in my today's session, Chapter 1, Environment. Our Chapter 1 is Environment in SST, and this one is the third class for Chapter 1, Environment. The complete heading of the chapter is Component of Environment, Components of the Environment. Today, we will discuss about the hydrosphere. उसके बाद फिर जो आगे पढ़ेंगे विल डिस्कस इट लेटर. हाइड्रोस्फीयर का मतलब क्या होता है? हाइड्रोस्फीयर का मतलब है क्या? व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय हाइड्रोस्फीयर? व्हाट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन द हाइड्रोस्फीयर? बिल्कुल सरल, बेहद आसान. हाइड्रो मीन्स हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट्स में है. यू हर्ड द नेम हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट, पानी पर आधारित. सो बेसिकली hydrosphere is completely related with water which is present on the earth. जो हाइड्रोस्फीयर है इसमें जो भी हम चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं वो इस हाइड्रो पे करने जा रहे हैं. हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर. हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर. सो हाइड्रोस्फीयर रेफर्स टू द वाटर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ. दिस वन इज द वन लाइन फैक्ट. अब सवाल है कि इट मीन्स व्हाट सर? Is it true that water is only present in the liquid state? No. It means in the hydrosphere we are responsible for the studying of water in the manner of river, in the manner of lakes, in the manner of ponds, in the manner of underground streams. Underground streams means पीने वाला पानी, बोरिंग. अंडरग्राउंड स्ट्रीम्स, भूमि के अंदर का जल, एज वेल एज आइस ग्लेशियर. ये तमाम चीजें सॉलिड के लिए आइस एंड ग्लेशियर्स, स्नो, एंड लिक्विड के लिए वाटर है, आपका पॉन्ड्स है, रिवर है, अंडरग्राउंड रिसोर्सेज है जल का. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कम्स अंडर हाइड्रोस्फीयर. एंड फॉर दैट एक्चुअली if you have to make the complete brief concept in one line fact, that it means hydrosphere we have to study about the cycle of water. Cycle of water. Cycle of water means what? Again in another line the same thing, that ice, liquid and means liquid, solid, gas. Now the game starts. Start from here. Liquid state is water. Liquid state is water, and water is present in ponds, lakes, rivers. It is fact. Now what is happening? This one is known as water cycle. What is happening with the presence of heat? The water available in the pond, lake, river, etc. and etc. will convert into gas. Means water vapor. Water vapor, which is also known as clouds. Which is also known as clouds. Am I right? And when these converted water in the form of clouds or water vapor, what is happening? It is moving toward the upward direction from the surface of the earth. And what is happening? After reaching on the height, it again starts melting. And in the melting form of, when it goes or it comes on the mountain, then it is in form of snow or ice. But in surface area it converts into water, मतलब rain. This one is known as water cycle. This one is known as water cycle. How? The water converts into water vapor, and water vapor will again convert into cloud, and it will come back on the surface of earth in the form of either ice or snow in the hilly areas, which area is present in the higher magnitude, and otherwise in the water form of rain. In the liquid form of rain. This one is known as the complete study, comes under hydrosphere. Am I clear? While the reading or while the listening my video, just make a pause, draw the picture, understand better, and then move towards the next one. After hydrosphere, we will start at atmosphere. We will start atmosphere. Atmosphere के बारे में तो कुछ समझना ही नहीं. We need not to worry at all. This one is the surface of the earth. उसके ऊपर अगर 1 मिनट रुक जाना, just wait for this. Yeah, I got it. Just wait. If this is an example of earth, then this area, above area, is considered as atmosphere. This is considered as atmosphere. A thin layer of earth, which is surrounded around the earth. One line. Atmosphere means a thin layer of air which is surrounded around the surface, above the surface of the earth, is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere contains various gases, definitely sir. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, पता नहीं कितने, but basically the main atmospheric gases what we have to know, that one is atmospheric gas. Basically hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, it is. नाइट्रोजन तो होता ही है ज्यादा, हाइड्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन हम लोग के लिए जरूरी है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से गर्मी बढ़ती है, एक्सेट्रा, तो और जो है सब सारे गैसेस. These gases are the components of atmosphere. These gases are the component of atmosphere, not only gases, with dust also. Because if somebody, you will live nearby the commercial area, then you will feel that you feel or you smell some unique kind of smell. Heck, it means the dust particles are available in the atmosphere. It means we are not taking only gas, we are taking also dust. We are smelling the dust also. So along with the air, dust are also present in the atmosphere. And you know that atmosphere, the discussion of atmosphere is very necessary, because atmosphere relates with climate. Atmosphere relates with climate. Actually these things are not present in your book, but you know that millions of years back Dinosaurus was present. Afterward that animals eliminated from the surface of the earth. It means what? Climate changes. Climate changes what? Due to the combination change of atmospheric gases. And currently we are also seeing that due to the increment in carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide or such kind of gases which are not fruitful for us, the temperature of the surface of the earth is still rising, and due to that we are suffering from excessive heat. You will ask it to your parents, grandparents, that they did not demanded AC, cooler to their respective parents, but now due to the temperature increment, what is happening with us? We are demanding all these accessory कि भैया दो पापा, डैडी दो, मुझे गर्मी लगती। इट मीन्स क्लाइमेट चेंज, इट मीन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो गैस CO2 होता है उसमें बढ़ोतरी हो रही है, प्रदूषण के कारण तापमान बढ़ रहा है, हमें सामना करना पड़ रहा है। इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द बायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट and afterward environmental policy.